Reason number 1, continuous engagement on their video. When we click on Zakir Khan's Saklona video, we see that video without skipping for a single second. We see each and every second of this video. Let's check highly engaging content on YouTube. First, songs. Each song get millions of views. Why? Because they are so much engaging and people watch each song completely. That's why songs also get millions of views. Second, that is South Indian movies. When people click on the South Indian movies, they watch that movie completely without skipping. So South Indian movies also get millions of views. Stand-up comedy, as we know that. Also wines like Ashish Chanchanali, Bhuvan Bam, and Amit Badana. They also get millions of views. Their comedy is unique, so they also get millions of views. Thanks for watching.